So Klarna came out, which is a buy now, pay later company. Like you could, using Klarna as a service, you can buy an e-commerce product or any product for that matter and pay it over a period of time. That's what Klarna is. And they are a massive company already. They're even eyeing a massive IPO. Now, what Klarna said was last month they implemented, after testing and stuff, they implemented their conversational AI agent to provide customer support, and it handles 2.3 million conversation a month, which is almost like two-thirds of their or 70% of the all conversations, customer conversations. And it is set to match almost 700 full-time agents' workload. Klarna was able to save $40 million. I mean, projected savings of $40 million for the rest of 2024, which will boost their bottom line. And this is like crazy, right? This is crazy because uh, this is the best example that generative AI needs at this point in time. So even for any naysayers or folks who are doubting about, hey, is it really going to be helpful? Look at what Klarna did: 700 jobs, $40 million impact. So yes, if anyone is still doubting, please don't do. Get started, start building. You will. I mean, Klarna did not launch it like overnight. They took probably more than a year to perfect it and launch eventually. And the other stats are even better, right? So they were able to bring down the average customer response time from 11 minutes to 2 minutes. They were able, the CSAT score did not change, so which means the customers do not have an issue speaking to an AI because they don't even know that it's an AI in the first place, most of them. So long story short, businesses, if you are listening to this, reach out to us. At Lizer, we provide you private agent SDKs, which you can deploy locally and launch your own customer support chatbot in minutes. And we partner with GoML, which is a GenAI consulting company. They could come in and do any other customization that you want on top and make it even more personalized for your business. So we are here to help. Klarna is a fantastic use case, and this is what the right AI impact looks like. Rishabh, what do you think?
Absolutely. I think, Shiva, this is just a testament to probably, small steps lead to larger changes, right? And with GenAI,
Exactly.
what has changed, well, that's a given in tech transformation that you obviously identify these blocks of changes, you experiment with certain blocks, then you make a bigger block, then you scale it, and then obviously eventually you start looking at business ROI, right? But with GenAI, what has changed, at least in our experience, Shiva, what we've spoken to our customers is
Yeah.
that the experiment, probably start small, fail fast, experiment better model has gone
Hmm.
altogether to a different level. And I'm just speaking from our experience. We work with mid-sized companies, we're working with certain enterprise companies as well, right?
Yeah.
The experimentation that now happens when you compare it to a traditional software development, right? We work with customers where we identify smaller use cases or blocks of use cases and experiment in a week, right? Show them the
Correct.
outcome. Decide a go and no go on that use case. Move to the next use case within 5 days, right? And even less than that for some matter, right? So that's how
Yes.
the whole world is transformation. My only, feedback to everyone who probably, everyone who's trying to embrace, the latest technology, not only Gen AI, but probably the whole foundation model concept, right? Don't wait for the large use case to come. And as Shiva, you mentioned, this what Klarna has done didn't happen overnight, or wouldn't have happened overnight, right? Wouldn't have even happened probably in a month's time, right?
Yeah.
Don't wait to come up with a large use case because the initial investment required to build this use case, both in terms of time and money, is not that huge. Think of
And
these
you will
smaller
not
building
find the
blocks.
success as well. Yeah, and
Exactly.
it'll not work. Yeah.
It'll, it's the, I mean, what Genia has completely changed. I started my statement, Shiva, is you don't have to look for millions of dollars of investments to now look for, at least some kind of change. So it starts small, fail fast, experiment better. That whole model is now changed completely with Genia. That's what we're seeing with our customers. Very good update, Shiva.
So this reminds me, you know what, Rishabh? You made a fantastic point. This is very much akin to how we try to hit gym to lose weight in one day, right? The moment we decide to lose weight, what we do, we go to gym 2, 3 days, all that, and then we will be so sore and we'll never go back to gym because we will think it's a bad experience.
Exactly.
But what actually works is start with diet, start doing some light cardio, start do some stretching, and slowly ramp up to obviously the day when you will start doing 1 hour of hardcore iron pumping exercises that you want. And that's what brings results. I mean, what you said is absolutely true. Do not try and start with a large one, because you will just remember the way you felt, the way how bad you felt hitting the gym and doing all that stuff. That's how you will feel at the end of the whole exercise, because you will think all that money, all that effort for nothing, because the Gen AI output would be very bad. But if you start slowly, start with your customer, start with the website chatbot, start with a simple automation, start with a simple data analysis engine for internal customers, and automate your internal help desk, internal employee help desk. That is how you should gradually ramp up to your larger and wilder experiments. So fantastic point. Great point.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Who knows? Probably everyone would have this 40 million savings story, but you'll have to get started somewhere, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So,